At the turn of 2017 and 2018, Ripple made a dizzying leap, briefly becoming the second most capitalized cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin. This growth was followed by a long and painful decline in the exchange rate and market capitalization XRP. The drop turned out to be even deeper on average than the general sagging capitalization of cryptocurrencies. However, the crypto market boom of early 2021 has helped XRP to rebound and regain its footing. Although the coin hasn't overtaken its previous highs yet, who knows what the future holds? We may very well see XRP go to the moon again in the future. Let's take a closer look at this coin's prospects and our Ripple price prediction. But before we dive into the video, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, to remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, let's see. What is XRP? Unlike most other cryptocurrencies, XRP was created neither as an alternative means of payment nor as an alternative to traditional paper money and the entire banking system as a whole. The purpose of XRP is to create a new method of calculation for the banking system, namely, an alternative system of interbank transfers with minimum commissions. The main goal of the Ripple network is to ensure a high speed of money transfers. The system uses a consensus registry to record information about transactions, which differs from the classic blockchain in many ways. In traditional consensus algorithms, such as proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS, trust in nodes is formed based on their computing power or the value of the balance. In Ripple, trust is built on the reputation of the owners of node validators, which are banks and other registered companies. Validators must reach an agreement on the authenticity of transactions to confirm them. Since the release of the maximum number of XRP tokens, 1 billion coins, occurred at an early stage of the protocol's existence, it is impossible to get coins in the system by mining or forging. There is no reward for checking transactions. Commissions for making transfers are irrevocably burned out, reducing the number of tokens in circulation. Banks that use the protocol for mutual settlements are interested in the system's stable operation, so they are most often the holders of the node. Ripple's network consensus mechanism is often criticized for its lack of transparency and low degree of decentralization. In July 2021, only 55 node validators performed transaction verification. The system developers recognized the need to expand the network. In their blog, the company has repeatedly announced plans to increase the number of trusted nodes. Ripple supports instant currency and asset conversion. The user does not need to worry about the type of currency on their balance. When making a transfer, the exchange will be carried out automatically. The ability to conduct exchanges in such a fast manner turns the system into a central hub for international settlements and interbank payments. The creators of the system are in favor of the legislative regulation of cryptocurrencies. Strict adherence to formal requirements has provided Ripple with wide recognition among major financial institutions. Since 2014, such well-known banks as Mitsubishi UFJ, UBS, and Unicredit have been actively connected to the system. Now let's discuss what experts say. XRP price prediction by experts. Despite a few serious challenges on its journey, XRP remains a very popular cryptocurrency among both retail and institutional investors. It still gets analyzed and talked about quite often. Here are some expert XRP price forecasts. Digital coin price. Digital coin price's Ripple price prediction is fairly optimistic, although this platform does not see this digital asset breaking through the $5 mark anytime soon. It thinks Ripple price will manage to stay firmly above the $1 in the foreseeable future. Overall, their XRP forecast is bullish in the long term. GOV Capital. GOV Capital is predicting an even stronger bullish trend for XRP than digital coin price. Their forecast about Ripple's price has the crypto asset reaching $5 by 2027. They also expect the XRP coin price to increase by over 80% in 1 year, which is definitely achievable if there is a new market boom and great news from the Ripple Labs team. Wallet Investor. Wallet Investor's prognosis is also bullish, but a lot more reserved than that of the other platforms on this list. While they don't see the XRP coin hitting $5 anytime soon, they still expect it to have positive price dynamics. Price prediction. The platform, aptly called Price Prediction, has a positive outlook on XRP future. They expect the coin to keep on slowly and steadily increasing in value up until 2029, when, according to the website, Ripple price is going to explode. According to their Ripple price forecast, Price Prediction expects XRP to cross over the $30 mark in 2031. Finally, what you were waiting for. XRP Price Prediction 2023. Over the course of time, XRP ecosystem has always been eventful. XRP started its journey at $0.00268621 on 22nd May 2014 and has pumped by 12,950.28% over the course of the past 8 years, 6 months, and 26 days. Below is the XRP Price Prediction 2023 breakdown from January 2023 to December 2023. XRP Price Prediction January 2023. XRP price for January 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.30 to $1.50, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.40. XRP Price Prediction February 2023. XRP price for February 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.33 to $1.53, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.43. XRP Price Prediction March 2023. XRP price for March 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.36 to $1.57, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.47. XRP Price Prediction April 2023. XRP price for April 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.40 to $1.61, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.50. XRP Price Prediction May 2023. XRP price for May 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.43 to $1.64, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.53. XRP Price Prediction June 2023. XRP price for June 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.46 to $1.68, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.57. XRP Price Prediction July 2023. XRP price for July 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.49 to $1.71, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.60. XRP Price Prediction August 2023. XRP price for August 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.52 to $1.75, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.64. XRP Price Prediction September 2023. XRP price for September 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.55 to $1.79, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.67. XRP Price Prediction October 2023. XRP price for October 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.58 to $1.82, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.70. XRP Price Prediction November 2023. XRP price for November 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.62 to $1.86, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.74. XRP Price Prediction December 2023. XRP price for December 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $1.65 to $1.89, and the average price of XRP should be around $1.77. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.